Hey guys, Tom here, and welcome back to another video on the Racing Joker channel. Today we're going to be doing a short, hopefully maybe kind of entertaining video on how to use copyrighted music in your YouTube videos without getting attacked by copyright holders, having videos taken down, having copyright strikes being put on your channel, losing monetization capabilities, all that sort of stuff. You want to be able to protect yourselves, and there's actually a way to do it. And I only kind of recently found out about this, and it's actually a very useful tool. So let's say you've just logged into YouTube or you've opened a window or whatever, and you want to check and see what the policy is for a certain song. Well, what you do, once you've logged in, you go to the top right corner, click your icon, go to Creator Studio, and then it loads for 10,000 years. Oh no, we're fine. And we go to the Create area, and then it says Music Policies. This directory lists songs and their current policies set by the copyright holders. So, we have a bunch of songs. You may recognize some of these names. This guy, Barry White, Justin Bieber, all that sort of stuff. So let's say you want to use a specific song. This can include ordinary songs like Gangnam Style or soundtracks from movies. So let's say we want to use, since I'm the Racing Joker, let's say I want to use soundtrack from The Dark Knight. Oh, it's Batman Begins, not The Dark Knight. Okay, so playback. It can be viewed worldwide. Some songs can't be viewed worldwide. Advertising, ads can appear, so the copyright holder might detect that you've used their stuff, so they'll put ads on your video so that they can get ad revenue, something like that. Which, while you may not be making money, at least you're not getting copyright strikes. No one's taking legal action against you and other things like that. So that's pretty good. But yeah, so we can use molasses in our videos. What's another song? How about, let's look up Joker and the Thief from Wolf Mother. This song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. If you use this song, your video may be blocked or muted. So, you may have come across this sometimes in certain videos on YouTube, like maybe it's footage of a video game or something like that, where someone uses like a certain song, and either the entire video is muted or a certain section just has no audio whatsoever, and that can sometimes be why. The copyright holder will say, hey, you've used our stuff, we're not okay with that, we're taking that video down, or we're taking that section of the video out. Let's look up another song. Oops, I spelled that wrong. I spelled that horribly wrong. So here we've got The People That We Love by Bush. Not available for use in your YouTube videos, okay? A lot of songs are probably going to be unavailable. Oops. What is it with me and typos today? Okay. So we can use this song. Viewable worldwide. Let's look up the Imperial March from Star Wars. Imperial March, Empire Strikes Back. We can use this. Ba, 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 ba. We can use this. What about Duel of the Fates? Hey, we can use that too. Sweet. What about Warriors by Imagine Dragon? Is it Imagine Dragon or Imagine Dragons? It's Imagine Dragons. Oh well. Not available for use. Bitch. Apparently the Believe song doesn't exist. I need to get my phone. I can't remember like most of the songs in my library. Alright, I've got music from Need for Speed Most Wanted. Doesn't even fucking exist. He doesn't exist. Okay. Need for Speed The Run. Not available. Ooh, how about Sweet Child of Mine? Album version. Not available. God dang it. Blocked in 243 countries. Wait a second. How many countries are there in the world? Seems legit. So basically no one can watch that, including the people in the countries on Mars? Okay. We should also keep in mind that certain songs just don't show up. So like, for example, Kicks by Barnes Courtney, if I can spell his name right. No, I can't. Doesn't show up. That is indeed a song. It is a very real song, but it's not there. No matches found. So sometimes songs won't show up. Here's a good one. Caribou Lou by Tech9. That should show up. Hello? Okay. Caribou Lou, album version explicit. We're good. We can play that. Here's a song I like. Let's try Fired Up by Hush. Not available. So a lot of songs. So I don't know why you're still watching at this point. Maybe you find it entertaining, but that's basically it. You go to the Creator Studio, and then you click Create, go to Music Policies, and you're able to search different songs by name and stuff to see what the policies are. This song, you'll usually either get this song is not available, or song isn't available in more countries than there are on the planet, or you can use this, and you can have a great day, basically. We've also got Get Low, obviously. We've also got Get Low by the East Side's Boys. What about Gangster's Paradise? Hello? Do I need to spell it differently? Is it Gangsta? Where's the one by Coolio? Why is this so hard to find? Oh, Gangsta's Paradise re-recorded remastered version. Okay, there we go. Why was that so awkward to find? Here we go. Gangsta's Paradise Coolio. Oh, pff. Oh my god. So, it's a little hard to find stuff. You do need to put in a bit of effort to find a particular song if you get results like this. What about this? There's a song I've always wanted to use as outro music. It's not showing up, but oh no, here it is. Freshly Ground. Okay. Freshly Ground. Aha! We have this version. What the heck does that even sound like? Okay, I like this version of the song. Maybe I could use this as outro music. Okay, so yeah. At this point, I'm just messing around. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because it's an important it's an important thing to know, because when I was in middle school, I had a YouTube channel that got taken down because of copyright stuff. Not because of music, but because I was an idiot and I just used other people's stuff kind of just blatantly. Plagiarism isn't good. I learned my lesson. The channel got taken down, 3 copyright strikes and everything. And since this channel is getting so much closer to being eligible for monetization, I thought I would do a little bit of research and make sure I know what I'm doing, more or less, and make sure I don't make any mistakes. Because while I intend to use mostly my stuff, you know, sometimes, you know, if you want to add a little bit of extra flavor or spice that maybe royalty-free stuff might not be able to do, it could be very helpful. So anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful and I guess entertaining, because this went on for a lot longer than it probably should have. But hey, it's kind of what I do, is waste time? But whatever. I'm Tom, the Racing Joker. I hope you found this video helpful. I don't usually do these that much, but if you find any of the following things entertaining, gameplay, let's plays, playthroughs, cutscenes, all that sort of stuff, it's generally pretty funny. It's decent quality, 1080p 60 FPS. I use this microphone. I use a pretty good 1080p 60 FPS HD camera. I have a nice monitor, a good computer with a NVIDIA GTX Titan. I also do car videos. I drive around in my Subaru WRX. I talk about all sorts of other different things. I talk about Nissan Skylines, stuff, this, that. I vlog. I kind of just do whatever. I also live stream if you want to watch me live stream. If you found me entertaining enough that you want to do that, you can go to twitch.tv/theracingjoker and you can watch me play anything. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, if I haven't already said that. If you did, leave a like and a comment down below. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. I'm not going to pretend to be an expert. There are other people out there that will know the answer, so if you ask a question and they see your question, you might get it answered, even if I can't answer it, but I will do my best. So yeah, and if you guys are new and you think I was funny or whatever motivations you might have to do so, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. It helps a lot. It helps me get closer to making the channel eligible for monetization, and then I can kind of make something from this and kind of return some of what I get and put it back into the channel to increase quality or get a little more creative with content and stuff like that. So anyways, I am Tom, the Racing Joker, and I will be signing out of this video. Until next time, everybody, stay crazy.